Imagine transforming your body without a gym or any equipment, just your own weight. This video presents 7 powerful exercises you can do at home to improve your physique in just a month. Stick around for the final exercise. It's a game changer for muscle building and fat burning. Number 1. Push-ups. Target your chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging your core. With consistent practice, you'll see muscle tone and improved posture in 4 weeks. To do push-ups, lie face down, keep your body straight, and lower yourself by bending your elbows. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 2. Jumping jacks. A full-body workout that boosts your heart rate and improves cardiovascular health. They also enhance endurance and promote fat loss. Perform 3 sets of 60 seconds each. 3. Glute bridges. Activate your glutes and hamstrings while strengthening your lower back. They also aid in improving posture and reducing injury risks. To do a glute bridge, lie on your back with knees bent, lift your pelvis, and hold for a moment. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 4. Squats. Strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, improving overall leg strength and core stability. Position your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body, and push back up. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 5. Lunges. Excellent for toning legs and glutes while improving balance and coordination. Step forward with one leg, ensuring a right angle, and switch sides. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. 6. Planks. Build core strength and improve posture. Maintain a straight line from head to heels while lying on your elbows. Hold for 3 sets of 60 seconds. Number 7. Mountain climbers. A high-intensity workout that enhances cardiovascular fitness while engaging multiple muscle groups. Start in a plank position and alternate knees towards your chest. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds. Ready to elevate your fitness? Try these exercises and watch your body transform in just 4 weeks.